going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have a special guest, Kaitlyn. Show them your socks that I... So for Christmas, I got Kaitlyn these socks. Our face is on it. Anywho, so today we're gonna be making low carb tofu spring rolls. So what we already made was our tofu and our dipping sauce. So our dipping sauce, we had 2 tablespoons of tahini, a half a tablespoon of sriracha, a dash of garlic powder, crushed red pepper, and 4 tablespoons of liquid aminos. And then for our tofu, we seasoned it with liquid aminos and sweet chili sauce. Then we sprayed some coconut spray on a pan and then cooked it on the stovetop until they were nice and crispy. So now we're gonna put together the spring roll now. So what that will be, we have rice paper. So how these work are, we're gonna put them in warm water and in 5 seconds, they turn into something completely not like this. So we'll show you. So I just turned the water on the hot side and then we're gonna let it warm up and then we're gonna add it to this dish. And then we're going to dip this in and then voila, we make spring rolls. Okay, so we have our hot water here. Now we're going to dip our rice paper for 5 seconds and then we'll move it over to a plate. And now we're going to add our stuff to it. Okay, now we're going to add our lettuce and our arugula. Arugula? Did I say it right? Arugula.
All the time.
Wait, I don't know. Okay. We're gonna add it to our rice paper. And then we're going to add tofu, cucumber, and carrots. So now we're going to roll it up. Look at that cucumber. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I guess we'll put it right here. That's one. Okay, now we're going to repeat. So taking the rice paper, holding it in hot water for 5 seconds, placing it on the plate. We're gonna add lettuce, our tofu, cucumbers, and carrots. And then we will roll. And voila. Okay, so now we're gonna be taste testing our tofu spring rolls. Taste test. Okay, so we have our dipping sauce. That smells so good. Are you ready?
Oh,
yeah.
Born ready.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah.
Ready? It's really good. Oh my god! Oh, for y'all watching, we're recording a video. Just FYI. Did you see Kaitlyn's socks? That's our faces. Just a video of us eating.
Nothing new here.
No. Oh. I'm putting this video like on my story. The whole thing.
I'm here for it.
I'll tag you.
I'll repost.
You'll get the notification. And that completes today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.
Do it.
Until next time, peace.
Bye.
Smells like spring rolls in here.
Gosh. What? Oh my gosh.
Did you give it a sound?
Yeah. Okay.
Did you,
Hmm.
is there a calendar?